Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms to help you decide if any of these VPN will be a best option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis, ExpressVPN remains a top choice for users who want strong security, fast speed, and a large reliable server network. It excels in privacy features, supports streaming and torrenting smoothly, and offer a user-friendly app across device. Its consistent performance and trusted reputation make it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. PureVPN offer a competitive price and a wide range of server with a decent speed. It includes useful features like split tunneling and a good device support, but its privacy track record isn't as strong as ExpressVPN. While PureVPN work well for good users and streaming, it may fall short for users prioritizing maximum security and a top-tier performance. And here's the overall conclusion. For the best overall VPN experience in 2025, ExpressVPN stands out with a superior speed, security, and a reliability. PureVPN is a solid budget option, but doesn't quite match ExpressVPN high-speed features and privacy standard. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these two VPN, which is ExpressVPN and PureVPN. Thanks.